All right, Jim, what do we got here?
This is the start of the Pākehī track, which is 20.3 kilometres of single track. Because it was surveyed as a road initially, and for vehicles and horses back then, it's a very even gradient.
Right, well, let's get into it. I'm very excited. Looks very cool. All right, we made it down here to Tairāwhiti, and we've met Jesse down here. Jesse, great to have you here at the cafe.
Yeah, you too, mate. Good to meet you. So my role with Te Tairāwhiti Whakatoia is the biodiversity lead, so I work in the space of just anything to do with the environment. We just got our fingers in it and we're just trying to make a change. For us, it's just reconnecting the people back to the learnings of the taio, the learnings of the environment, but also at the same time protecting spaces.
And it's about also educating, I guess, tourists like myself coming through.
Like for guys like yourself, just coming in and learning a bit of tikanga, learning a bit of, what to do and what not to do, but also for our next generations, to pass a lot of that knowledge on to them so that it's at the forefront of their mind, not sort of at the back.
What's the go with the traps? They're here, I can see them here, wooden boxes. How does it all work?
Inside those wooden boxes, on most of them, there's 2 traps in each one. So when they come in, it's an instant kill once they set it off.
It's something quite common here in New Zealand. You see them actually quite often on the trails if you're going mountain biking. It's to get rid of the rodents, because why?
We have a lot of birds that nest on the ground. We've got a lot of wekas, pheasants, quails, and they all nest on the ground. And it's just to protect and help the birds. I've noticed in the last 2 years our population of bird life has increased rapidly. We have a lot of wekas here now and it's really nice to see.